Welcome back, TechInsight Daily viewers. Today, we have an electrifying topic that's going to ignite your passion for the world of artificial intelligence. If you've ever dreamt of becoming an AI expert in 2023, this video is your roadmap to success. So, buckle up and get ready to be inspired. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the driving force behind some of the most incredible technological advancements of our time. From self-driving cars to medical breakthroughs, AI is transforming industries and shaping the future. But here's the thing, you can be a part of this incredible journey. Becoming an AI expert might seem like a daunting task, but we've broken it down into achievable steps just for you. Let's dive in. Step number 1, the foundation. It all starts with a strong foundation in mathematics and programming. Don't shy away from those math textbooks or coding challenges. Embrace them, because they're your ticket to the AI world. Step number 2, master machine learning and deep learning. Machine learning and deep learning are the heartbeats of AI. Understand them, and you'll be able to create intelligent systems that can change the game. Step number 3, NLP and computer vision. Natural language processing and computer vision are AI superpowers. Imagine teaching machines to understand human language or interpret visual data. It's like science fiction come to life. Step number 4, big data and cloud. Handling vast amounts of data is crucial. Learn big data technologies and cloud computing, and you'll be able to work with the big leagues in AI. Step number 5, education and specialization. Never stop learning. Pursue higher education and specialize in areas that fuel your passion. AI is a vast field, and there's something for everyone. Step number 6, real-world experience. Practical experience is the key. Work on real AI projects, collaborate with fellow enthusiasts, and participate in competitions. It's where the magic happens. Step number 7, online courses and certifications. The internet is a goldmine of AI knowledge. Take online courses and earn certifications to boost your credentials. Step number 8, network like a pro. AI is all about connections. Network with experts, attend events, and immerse yourself in AI communities. You never know what opportunities lie ahead. Your journey to becoming an AI expert is going to be thrilling, challenging, and incredibly rewarding. The AI world needs passionate individuals like you to drive innovation and make a difference. So, what are you waiting for? 2023 is your year to shine in the AI field. Embrace the learning, the challenges, and the excitement that comes with it. Join the ranks of AI experts who are shaping the future. Thank you for tuning in to TechInsight Daily. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech updates. Until next time, keep reaching for the stars in the world of AI.
Stay connected, tech enthusiasts, in this ever-evolving world of technology.